What's good mga brodies? Today we are back with another video. Marunong pa ba ako mag-vlog? Yabi mga brodies, it's been a while since our last video. Bigyan ko kayo ng konting life update. So, matagal-tagal na ako di nakapag-post ng video kasi I recently got married. So, happy days are coming. So yun, I'll be sharing some clips ng prenup shoot namin at konting snippets ng aming kasal. So yeah, I've been on a hiatus from riding gawa ng mga pamahiin, no? Yeah, my last ride was with the dragster nung nagmarilaki tayo kasama mga barkada natin. And today, we are on our way to Carmona. So pupunta tayo sa Carmona Racetrack kung saan gaganapin ang karera for today. May meet up tayo with some of our friends sa C5 extension sa Shell. And yeah, I'll see you there. And just like that, with the magical powers of video editing, nandito na tayo sa Shell C5 extension. Ngayon, abangan na lang natin ang ating kasama. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Good morning! So we are welcomed by Andre and Yana. Ang cute ng Vespa mo! So kasama na natin si Yana at si Andre. Let's go! Ano na? Tara! Right, let's go! Porma naman ito! Let's go! Let's go! Hey! So ETA to Carmona is 1 hour. Let's go! Welcome to Etibox mga tol. Let's go! Carmona Racetrack, here we go. Alright my brodies, we are finally here. Let's go. What's good, my DBs? What's up, brother? Hi Pogi, Pogi, hi Pogi.
2,000 years later.
Jeyo, ano masasabi mo sa karera today?
Pag-pray po natin sila lahat and enjoy lang po tayo.
1, 2, 3, break! Let's go!
Luck, brother. That's Paulo Ramirez of One Punch Shop. And we are here. Carmona Racetrack. Let's freaking go. Grabe. Sun's out. Let's go.
Grabe naman si Makmak, sobrang seryoso.
Yes, sir.
Let's go!
It has to look good. If it's gonna lose, it has to look good, di ba?
Yes sir, hey, let's go, let's go! Sobrang wild. Look at the mods on this. Super nice.
So mga brodies, when you come here, make sure to support your patrons. Let's go. Yeah, coffee time.
We are graced by the presence of Best Pork. Let's go!
Amis kita papi.
We are graced today with the presence of Master Zooey. Let's go, Regman!
What's up guys? Let's have fun today.
Let's go!
So sa mga lalaro ngayon, good luck po sa ating lahat. Enjoy the moment. So chill lang, okay na yan.
Gagawa ko siya ng catchphrase.
Bobo ang puta.
Let's keep it classy with Moto Classy. Oh, panis! Pwede, di ba?
I'm on my fucking lunch break, okay?
Tiana, karera ang pinunta natin, hindi mukbang. Patingin. Panis! Healthy!
Oh, we are welcomed by Mighty EPs. What's up?
Hi, I'm Mighty Ipis of One Pots and Wrenchman Crew.
Sa mga riders, good luck. And ano ba? Hindi ako sanay sa ganito eh. Good luck na lang.
Pang-practice lang. Malay nyo mag-vlog si Mighty Ipis. Let's go! What's up, Amor Solo Moto? What's up, brodies? Let's go! So we are graced today with Boss Hector of CVT Manila. Ano masasabi natin sa champion natin, si Paulo Ramirez?
Matindi. Sobrang tindi.
Sobrang tindi. Guys, for your engine modification needs, CVT Manila. Yes, sir! Ito na mga brodies. Yung 155 class na karera. Let's go, let's go! That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is true love. We are at the 185 Open. Paulo Ramirez is out. Siyempre, support tayo, barkada. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ano masasabi mo sa karera natin today, sir?
Makita lang tayo marilaki, mag-breakfast ride tayo.
Let's go! By Pro Scoots owner RB Astilla. Brother!
To 1 JP Rizal, Project 4, Quezon City, Pro Scoots Garage.
Grabe mga brodies. Sobrang ingit ako na hindi ako makapaglaro. Kahit fun man lang. Grabe. Sobrang cooperative ng weather. Sunny outside. Very windy. Maliwalas. Grabe. So nandito tayo. Nanonood tayo sa last turn. Check it out. Boom. Let's go for the chicane. Gagaling. Kinda jealous, but at the same time, still having fun. Let's go! Meron tayo na spot na rare sighting. The new Italjet 700 Twin. My gosh. Grabe. Ang intense. Super elegant looking. Super sleek. Grabe. And, numbered pa ito. This is 238 of 700. While I'm assuming this is what comes out of factory with the Akrapovic exhaust. Twin exhaust siya. Ganda. Thank you, Pierre, sa pag-spot at sa paupo nitong motor na to. Ganda. Ganda sobra. Kailangan natin magsipag para makabili tayo niyan.
One eternity later.
Po ang idol ko! Let's go!
Love you.
I think I'll be ending it here for the video. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. I'm pretty sure everybody who's been in this event will be seeing all the results online. If you made it this far, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll call it a day for now. Right? Peace!